Good morning, students. So today I am going to start the new lesson, that is boat races around the world. So I hope you also experienced the boat races in the vacation. So we will see here boat races around the world. So you also experienced boat races, but where? Nearby places where you go for the tour, trip purpose, you go there, you have experienced. I think you have experienced in Almaty, isn't it? Almaty Dam you have went in school trip. There you have experienced and you have enjoyed. So on page number 75. So warm up here, see what they have given. Match the pictures of these boats with their names. So we have to match here. So first one they have given here motor boat, sailing boat, row boat, houseboat. So we have to see here pictures and you have to match with these words. First one is see sailing boat it is. First one is sailing boat. So we have to match this one to this. Okay. Now this one motor boat. Here motor is installed in this. So it's a motor, it is run by motor. So it's a motor boat. B1 is first, A1 second. C rowing boat and houseboat. This is a houseboat. You have to match here this. You can see here house in this boat. Here this one is rowing boat. D is rowing boat. Okay, so you have to match with the pencils. So here in page number 76, Veena and Rajesh have recently been to Kerala to spend Onam with their aunt and uncle. So you will also spend holidays. You will also go to the other places, to your uncle's house, aunt house, and grandmother's house. You will also go in the same way here. Veena and Rajesh had recently been to Kerala to spend Onam with their aunt and uncle. There they had seen the amazing Vallampally boat race. Their friends Alice and Sam wanted to know all about it. So here, who visited? Veena and Rajesh. They have recently visited to Kerala to spend the Onam, that is festival, name of the festival. It is celebrated in Kerala. Okay. They had seen the amazing Vallampally boat race in that festival. What they will play, the people of Kerala, they will play this Vallampally boat race. They play boat race there. Their friends Alice and Sam wanted to know all about it. Who wanted to know? This Veena and Rajesh's friends, Alice and Sam, they wanted to know all about it. All about this Onam festival. The Vallampally is all about the speed, said Veena. Boat races are held in Kerala during Onam, the harvest festival. The boats are called snake boats because they look like snakes with raised hoods, with a towering rear and a narrow front. So, how it will be? How the boat will be? They have explained here. And when they will celebrate this Onam festival, they will celebrate this Onam festival after this harvest in the fields. We will also celebrate here in Karnataka. What will tell? We will tell Chaga Chalo, Chaga Chalaka. Hoga Kati will tell to fields we will go. In the same way here also, after the harvest of the field, they will celebrate the Onam festival, that is boat race. How it is boats? Boats are called snake boats because they are long like snakes. How they are? They are long like snakes, and it is painted with a snake color. And how it is? A front part is small here, but back part is more like this. So this front part is small, but back part is here. Here it is big. Okay. Sorry, big. The boats are called snake boats because they look like snakes with raised hoods, with the towering rear and a narrow front. The front is narrow. Front is narrow and here back side. Towering rear means a very tall back part of the boat. This is back part of the boat, and this is the front part of the boat. So here, in a simple way, I have shown here. You can see picture also. Back side it is raised part, and the front side it is low. Okay. These are not ordinary boats. A snake boat is usually about 100 feet long and is made of a special kind of wood. It takes a lot of patience and hard work to make a snake boat. Especially trained craft people work out for months to make a boat ready for the races. So these boats, when the hundreds of people ride this boat, means it should be very in good condition. So how much long it is? It's 100 feet. 100 feet long it is there. So it's made of a special wood, and once together, that too trained craft people will build this boat with a special wood. So very carefully they will build this boat with very much patience. How many people does it take to row such a long boat? Asked Sam. So what Sam asked here? How many people does it take to row such a long boat? Asked Sam. At least 100 oarsmen, said Vina. Said Vina. So how many people ride this boat? 100 people, at least 100 people. Oarsmen means what? Those will ride that boat during the this competition. Then there are 4 helmsmen and 25 singers. The singers stand in the boats and sing the Vanchipittu, the song of a boatman. The fast rhythm of the songs encourages the oarsmen to row the boats faster. So here, hundreds of the riders are there in the boat. 100 feet boat is there, and 100 oarsmen are there. Oarsmen means those who will take part in this competition, those who will ride this boat. So that gathering, there are 4 helmsmen. Helmsmen means what? Those who will control the boat. Those who will control the boat. They will control the boat. And 25 singers are there. 25 singers are there. What it does if 25 singers are there? The speaker is saying that it will encourage, the song will encourage the riders to ride faster. Which song they will sing? They will sing the Vanchipittu song. The fast rhythm of the songs encourages the oarsmen to row the boats faster. To ride the boat faster. It will help them. So this much I finished today. Tomorrow I will continue this lesson, and students, your work is to write this one new words in classwork, and you have to read this much lesson. How much I have taught you, one page this one you have to read. Thank you.